VSI crushers manufactured by Akash Ganga are the best to prove their passion about technology. It is operated with single or dual motor. Dual motor helps in reducing the starting current. The material is fed from top and crushed product comes out from bottom. Before material enters feeding chute, a magnetic separator separates trap iron from fed material and thus protects the rotor and other parts against damage. To get the good shape, it is the best practice of allowing the rock to break on its natural cleavages under free impact conditions. In VSI, the stone which is to be crushed is fed through hopper and a feed tube onto the center of a closed rotor. As it passes over the central distributor cap of rotor, it is divided into multiple separate streams. The rotor spinning at high speed of 60 to 85 meters per second throws the material with a great centrifugal force and forms rock shell of good shape. As the accelerated rock strikes the rock shell, known as rock-on-rock principle, it breaks by impact along the weakest section, resulting in cubicle-shaped product. The crushed product produced by this principle is guaranteed that it will not have any weaker sections or any fine cracks. While breaking on rock shell, the pieces are hit by the rock particles which are following, thereby maintaining a continuous reduction stream of high energy collision. Finally, when the stone particles lose their kinetic energy and overcome the force of the rock flow over them, they fall freely by gravity onto a conveyor belt below. The surface texture of produced particles is also more finished than the other ones, as multiple collisions of stone particle is taking place inside the crushing chamber. This action is simulating the natural eroding of the particles in river.
To simulate this action, we have made few mud balls. We will see what happens when we throw them on a wall. Oh! It has got splitted in smaller particles. Now we will throw more balls on the wall. Nothing new is happening here. As you can see, every time the ball is striking the wall, it is breaking comfortably. But if you observe keenly, you can understand that when we are throwing the ball towards the wall, we are imparting kinetic energy on it. But suddenly, at the striking surface, that is wall, in this case, it gets stopped. So, the kinetic energy inside the particle blasts the ball and breaks it in finer particles. The same principle is used in VSI crusher to break the stone.
The machine is designed in such a way that all the pathway through which stone stream flows get automatically tough stone lining. So no metal part comes in contact with stone material. They get protected from heavy wear. This also avoids the contamination of iron in crushed product.